We're opening our file from Actionstep, so we'll go to this search box, we'll search 01, it'll bring up this test matter, click into that, and when it loads you'll see in the matter icons that there's this folder icon called documents. If we just hover over it, then we move down to generate and click generate. Sometimes that's a little bit tricky to do. You have to try it a couple of times. The template we're going to use is the buyer first letter buying a property, and it's called the P1. So buyer first letter, we're going to go download. Now there's a whole load of information that's already been entered into this matter for John Smith to buy 123 Happy Street. We know what the important dates are, we know all the parties' names, everything's been entered into Actionstep in a previous step. So we've come to this generate dialog now. We've put in the document that we want at the top, choose template. We've then said we want to download it after we generate it, and then let's go into the big green button that says generate. Let's click it. It tells you it's generating the letter, and then here it is. I'm just going to drag and drop that letter into, whoops, I'm not going to drag and drop it there. I'm going to open file number 1. I'm going to go to folder number 1, you can see there, called Smith, and I'm going to open it. Then I'm going to grab this and drag, I'm going to control tab, use control tab, and drop it there. And that, let's just open it to see if there's any information in it. And so we can see it's matter number 1. Oops, that's one that I did earlier. Matter number 1. We've got John Smith purchase 123 Happy Street. There's a whole load of information that has been pre-filled. All these dates have been pre-filled here. Lots of information through this letter has been pre-filled depending on the information that's been entered in before. So that's the basics of how you generate a first letter. I'll now generate one more document. Let's go back up to this documents folder. We'll hit generate again. And this time we're going to try and generate a PEXA. That's electronic workspace for settlements. So we click PEXA Client Authority. We hit download. Again, generate. Same sequence as last time. It will generate over here. And we'll grab it, and again I'm going to use Control Alt Tab rather. I'm going to stick it into Documents. Let's go and look at it in Documents. This PEXA Client Authority. It opens up slowly, and then there's this Client Authority. It's got matter number 1, my details put in because this is just a test matter, the firm's address, and then information about the property. And that's really all we need to see. And that's how you generate a document within PEXA. Thanks for watching.